fix a Bluetooth device not working. First of all, go to settings. Over here choose connections and then go to Bluetooth. The first thing that we can do is turn off Bluetooth, then turn off your Bluetooth device, turn your Bluetooth back on, and then turn on your Bluetooth device. And then try to connect. If it doesn't work, tap on the setting gear and unpair your device. After that, close your Bluetooth device, turn it off and turn it back on and put it into the pairing mode. And then let's wait for the scan. If it's not scanning, then you can press scan in the top right corner and wait for the device to show in available devices. Select it and try to connect. If it still doesn't work, you can go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and choose General Management. And then over here go to Reset. And then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and confirm your choice by pressing Reset Settings. Of course, Wi-Fi also will be reset, so you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection or network. Go back to Connections, select Bluetooth, turn off and turn on your Bluetooth device, and once again put it into the pairing mode. And let's wait for the Bluetooth device to appear, select it, and now it should work. Other than that, make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. In that case, disconnect other devices or perform the factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Check more guides on my channel, like, comment, subscribe.